gonna get anything?
Guadalupe River.
Oh my god.
So guys, we are at the Colorado River. We got here a couple hours ago. We just been swimming and stuff, and my cousin told me to find some bass. I didn't find any bass. There's a guy over here fishing, and he hasn't caught one thing. So that was a fun time. We got here about a little afternoon, and we just spent the whole entire afternoon. And it's about like a 3-hour ride back home. And I think we're leaving now, but let me show you. I got some GoPro footage. I got a few clips, then it died. Did a little bit of rope swinging back over there, but it was really sketchy, so I only did it like twice, and I didn't do good at all. But there's Zach.
They're not yours.
I know they're mine. I'm just holding him. Okay. Okay then. So, you guys can get back home. What's up, guys? I am back home now. It was just like a 3-hour drive back home, so we are here now. I am sitting here on my laptop, just looking through my videos, editing stuff, and so it was a fun trip. It was a fun, like, quick 2-day trip. Yeah, we went to the boardwalk, went to the Alamo, and did all that stuff. Then on the way back, we stopped at the river and did some things and took some cool pictures. We swam for a few hours and we did a little bit of rope jumping. I tried it, but I just couldn't do it. It was the area it was in. It was like really shallow and yeah, and it wasn't. I was kind of like run off of that little ledge there and just jump on it, take off, but I just couldn't do it. I'm not ready for that stuff yet, but I'll try it next time. Next time I'll be sure to bring a rod so I can fish. I got some underwater footage. I just saw that a little bit ago and it wasn't clear at all. I couldn't see it. One thing I could see like a little bit when I went down like really deeper where the ground is, the rocks, but it was good. My cousin was there yesterday and just got home. I couldn't see him, so They were there yesterday. They call it really cool bass. So go check that out on his Instagram, and go check out the photos. And that's it, guys. Thanks for your support. Subscribe for more, and peace out.